He's washing the G4. Water got inside. Yeah, he destroyed it. Yo, no way! Today I'm organizing a huge ride out. 100 people replied, I mean, on my story. I really hope at least 50 of them show up. I'm going to ride the G4 Max. The G4 guy has his front wheel broken, so I'm going to borrow my G4 wheel to him. He's the only one I have. Why is nobody here? Yo, he arrived. He has no disc brake on his front wheel. So here is my wheel. There it is. Some of you guys said that he's riding his scooter too aggressively. I mean, that's right, he's taking it out. That's completely broken, dude. He's taking my wheel. He just has to screw it in place. What's up? Yo, 2 more Surons showed up. What's up? Come on, we need more people. Is that Sir Bombster? Oh my god. Is that Sir Bombster? Dude, that's the best G4 I've ever seen in this town. Yo, what's up? He turned around his steering. Everybody is upgrading to hydraulic brakes. That's insane. Oh, the myth. The legend. He installed street tires on his Suron. What's up? Man, just look at that G4 right there. That looks insanely clean, dude. This day is gonna be awesome. So his front wheel, he just hided it under this seat. Nobody knows. Having hydraulic brakes on your G4, it really makes a difference. Yo, WG4 right here. Oh no, he stole my G4 Max. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Surons. We are ruling the world in here. Nice. Whoa. Wait. Damn, man. That's insane. Whoa. Whoa, that was scary. Also, big announcement. I just bought street tires for this G4 Max. Bro, his rear brake is totally cooked. I don't recommend you guys to do this. This is extremely dangerous. Between all these people, you have to go slow. Oh my god, dude. I was not expecting the G4 guy to have that many problems. Yo, what's up? This guy showed up with his G2 Master. What are those cops doing? Damn. Oh my god! Yo, that's insane! Come on. Yo, this is some of the most chaotic rideouts I ever attended. I don't know why, but everybody is speeding up like crazy. That's what I'm saying. Damn, that's clean. That's clean right there. This guy is insane. Wow. Whoa. He's punching ghosts. What? Bro. Yo, this is the OG guy. Man, I remember you. Whoa. Yo, we've got cops on us. Yo, W cops right here. He's giving us advices. We should not ride on the sidewalk. We should always ride on the street. And we also should be extremely visible, such that cars don't run. Yo, W cop, dude. W cop. They all got scared by the cops. And they just ran away. And that cop was friendly. They should come back. That was the most wholesome cop I ever seen in my life. Oh my god. That's all he said. We should not ride on the sidewalk. We should always ride on the street and we should be visible. Yo. So many Kukirins, dude. This forest trail is kinda insane. I've never been on this path before. I kinda like it. Mr. Clau is leading. I should be able to keep up with him. This is such a nice day. A lot of you guys told me that you enjoy a lot these rideouts with the Suron kids. So I'm trying to mix it. I'm trying to gather as many Kukirins and as many Surons. I've got leaves in my eyes. Whoa. Whoa. Yo. Yo, that was insane. I am the street guy most of the time. Whoa. So being on off-road right now feels new to me. Whoa. Yo, we are going so fast. 50 kilometers an hour on a forest trail. Oh my god. Whoa. Wow, I almost lost it. Will the street tires do fine on these kind of trails? This is pretty much the end of the trail. This is the lake we are talking about. Yo, no way. They kept up with us. I actually thought I lost them. They actually did it. Oh my god, dude. Yo. What? Yo, that was wild. Whoa. Oh! Yeah! Those ones are so cute, dude. Okay, he's going to jump. Come on, come on. Whoa! Come on, come on, come on. Oh! Oh! Bro, he lost his balls! He's gonna try with the G2 Pro. Is he gonna make it though? That was kinda valid. Whoa! Okay, I'm also gonna jump. Whoa! Okay! Whoa! That was weird, but I'll take it. Whoa! Whoa! Yo, that was nice. He's gonna try on the G4 Max. Okay, I guess that kinda works. I'm gonna try to hit that jump with the surround. I'm gonna die today. Nah, dude, there is no way I'm hitting that jump. I can hit it on the G4 Max, but there is no way I can hit it on a surround. He's gonna try to wheelie the G4 Max. I mean, he's getting there, but it is just that the G4 Max is too heavy. Yo, he actually kinda did it. Yo, no way! Yo! Yo! No way! What? Dude! He wheelied the G4 Max! This guy right here is insane. Oh my god! Wow! Nah, dude. Nah, dude. I'ma get the surround. Yo, this surround is so nice. He wants to show me another jump. I'm actually curious to see it. Yo, he's wheeling on the ground. Double rider right here. We're going uphill this way, dude. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god. He's coming fast. He's coming fast. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Whoa! Whoa! Yo! Wow! He's beeping the plane, dude. Dude, that plane is not going to respond. Yo! That's gas bike. Yo, check this guy out. He really knows how to wheelie on the G2 Pro. Wow, dude. Yo, that's clean right there. I keep saying that's clean, but what? He even wheelied the speed bump. This is the vibe, dude. Bro, what is this guy doing? That's insane. He's low on battery. He does not have enough power for the wheelie. He's still doing it though. Whoa! Bro. He's just a different kind of guy. Whoa! What? What? Oh, dude, that's an insane amount of precision. Whee! Let's go! He's saying bye-bye. I guess the next video is gonna be an unboxing for the new Kukirin G2 Pro, but the Spain VTM option. That means the scooter can be unlocked. There is also a Spain version that cannot be unlocked. It can only go up to 25 kilometers an hour. So yeah, I'm really excited for it. This street is such a vibe right here. And all these houses are new. This is paradise, dude. My town is extending so much. We just found the gang! We just found the gang! Good luck, dude, good luck. So we are going to help him wash his G4. He got so much dirt on it. Okay, so he's gonna wash his G4 at the car wash. Biggest mistake yet. You wanna fight, dude? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Oh my god. That's a really harsh way to wash your G4, but I don't encourage you guys to do this. Oh my god. Yo. He's killing it. Jesus, man. That's my wheel right there. Is it gonna turn on, dude? Please turn on. No way! It turned on, dude! Okay, now that the G4 is clean, we can go! Bro, his G4 is going to burn, dude. I think water got in. Bro, I think he has so much water inside it. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Yo, he's got the pool in there. Dude. Oh my god. That's so much water, dude. He destroyed it. That's a big F right there. He had no screws and water got inside. Oh my god. He's literally unplugging everything. He wants to take all the water out of it. If you're washing your scooter at the car wash, just make sure you have all the screws in place. Jesus, man. This is such a weird outcome. This is the biggest L so far. Bro, that controller is extremely rusty, dude. Oh my god. He cannot remove the battery because the hydraulic brakes cable is over the battery. And now he needs to take his brakes off, dude. Oh my god, dude. At least the battery is dry. The amount of rust he has in this scooter, that's insane. What in the world? This is the most beautiful G4 on the outside and the worst on the inside. Oh my god, dude. No, his wheel is still here. W Romania. Nobody is stealing anything. Now you just have to get it back. Let's do a top speed test on low battery. Come on. 55 kilometers an hour. Come on, come on. 58. 60. Come on. 63. Oh my god, dude. Yo, the G4 Max can handle very well low battery. Let's go! We arrived. He has my wheel in his hands. I have his wheel. His G4 is still cooked, man. Late night at McDonald's. I still have battery on the G4 Max. That's insane. Well, I guess this was pretty much it. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching till the end of this video. You are absolutely amazing. Stay tuned!